today I'm going to show you how to make marketing videos using AI. It's a really simple and straightforward effort. Once you get the hang of it, you can be making marketing videos using AI for your business, and it take you like 5 minutes to make a video. It's pretty incredible. And the thing is, video marketing is the most effective form, at least online, is videos that are eye-catching, they're appealing, they get people interested, they keep people interested in your business. So if you're looking to make marketing videos, you're in the right spot. Problem was, it was really complicated and time-consuming, expensive to make videos, but with new AI technology, which I'm going to show you right now, it's really simple and easy to create short, really high-quality marketing videos. So all the links that I'm going to, for the tools I'm going to use, are included in the description below. So you can just quickly access Pictory and ChatGPT. And then you can, you can sign up for your free trial. I think they both have free versions or free trials. So you can play around with this and see if it makes sense for you. So click on those links right there after watching the video. So let me share my screen and I'll show you how to do this. So the very first thing that you do is you open your ChatGPT window, and I've got one preloaded here, but you just ask it to write you a YouTube script for whatever it is. So here I said, write me a 4-minute YouTube script where I explain the benefits of regular dog grooming with a professional groomer, and it'll write your script for you for your video. Now, what I would suggest is anything that's normal, like a blog, anything you would like create a blog about, those are really good types of categories or tips, titles to use with this system specifically. So obviously you can't make just any type of video well, but it makes this type of video well. So I'll put these in the description as well. But some ideas, like if you're a dog groomer business, some of the videos you could use to make benefits of dog grooming, tips to avoid fleas, when to take your dog to the groomer. If you're like a landscaper, tips for lawn overseeding, how short to cut your grass before overseeding. If you own a gift store, 10 birthday gift ideas for dad, spring gift ideas for loved ones, things like that. Video ideas where you would maybe write a blog about them would be a really good, if you think you would write a blog about it, it's a really good probably option for using this tool. So if I were to just write a new one, you'd see I'll go over here and I'll just say, like, I'll take one of these examples right now. Let's just say tips for lawn overseeding. And then I would just say, write me a 4-minute YouTube script about best practices for lawn overseeding in the spring. So I'll prompt it with that, and then you'll see in just a second here, it's going to start typing this out for me, right? Best practices for lawn overseeding in the spring. And now it's going to type me out a whole script. So that right there saves you a ton of time. And then you can just edit the script and play around with it to make sure it fits with what you like, but it really gives you a really tremendous start, right? So you can see, here it is. Now we're not going to wait for that. I'm going to jump right over here. This is why I created this one in the first place. So here's why regular professional dog grooming is a must. So all I'm going to do here is now take this script and I'm going to copy everything over, and I'm going to go over to my Pictory.ai, and then I'm going to click here on script to video and proceed. And I'm going to paste my video script in right here. I'm actually going to go back and grab the title of my video too. So let's grab that, paste it in here. And then I probably want to get rid of these timestamps. So I'll probably just make some simple edits like this, get rid of the timestamps, get rid of it where it says host, because I don't want that to actually be in the video. But I do like these benefit things here. So again, you'll see how this shakes out, but I could edit this after it generates the video too, but I kind of like to just take care of these now while I see them there the way they are. So again, I'll get rid of these timestamps. I'll save you the benefit of time, and well, there's only a few more left, so we're almost done. But you can see this has generated a really nice script for me to use. So there we go, and get rid of the conclusion. Okay, and then last thing I'm just going to get rid of is these host pieces. And it's like one more. Okay, perfect. So now I'm going to click on proceed. So once I've got my script there, the way I like it, now I'm just going to click on proceed. And I get to pick the theme that I want. So let's just say for the dog grooming one, I can look through, and what it means by the theme is like how these words are going to read. I actually like something like that, maybe. I think that might look nice on the video. Let me just see. These are that's kind of cool too and fun. but it really just depends on what your preference is or what type of look you want for the video. So for this one, you know what, I'll just go with the highlight. I think that might be nice. So I'm going to select that. And then if I'm putting on YouTube, I'll use 16:9. But if you're using it for social media or another platform, you can use a different aspect ratio. And now what's going to happen is it's going to take that content and start creating a storyboard for me using AI. And it's going to actually generate the full storyboard. And then you can see the power of AI while we were doing that. If I just go back over here, my ChatGPT started writing this script for me. Now I went off of it, so I can just go, if it does that to you, you just say finish it, and then it'll actually continue finishing your script. But it's just because I left the screen and went away, and sometimes it times out like that. But you can see over here, now at the same time, I'm generating this script for my business too. So I'll jump back over here, and there it is. So now it's done, and you can see that it took this, and you can see there's all these images of dog grooming, right? And animal pet care. Now, some of these, right, these are all perfect. These are all dogs being groomed, are perfect. Some of these just need a little edit, right? So if I go over here to, let's just say this one, that's probably not appropriate. So let's dive right in. And this is where then you can just make little simple edits too. So if I go back to this section, I can go over to the elements, to visuals, and now I can just search here from all these stock images and just say, dive in. Maybe I just want to play on the word with that, and I can get somebody diving, or I can go over here. I can just say, you know, dog, because this is a dog grooming video. And maybe we'll just use like a dog like that. And I just click on it and it replaces it. So it's super easy to fix any of those where the AI, and again, the system's getting better and better, but where it maybe just picked the wrong thing. But you can see most of these are pretty spot on. It's showing, you know, dogs, and it's showing business owners. There's a dog getting groomed. Pretty amazing that this video is all put together. Now I can preview, click on this and preview the whole video. You can see it generate about a 4-minute video. The next thing that I'll need to do, and there's 2 things you can do here, depending on what you're comfortable with. You can record your voiceover. So you just click on whichever clip and you record your voiceover reading these sections, right? So you can click on that, and again, dog ear, right? Not a human ear. So we'll replace that one, but it's super easy to do. You can record your voiceover and then your voice will play throughout it. Or you can use one of these really cool tools, which is the audio over here, and you can select to do like a voiceover. So you can select and apply any of these automated AI voiceovers to the video as well. So either one works well. It just depends on your preference. There is going to be background music that it picks out by default for your video. You can go over here to volume and you can play around with the volume of that background music. And again, you can add a voiceover or not. If you just want to have people read through this as they go, they can read the text and listen to the music, and that's nice too. So it gives you a lot of tools here to play around with editing the text. So if you need to edit any of these sections, you can go in and edit them. You can add new elements or visuals too. So there's a lot of really powerful tools. And then this video will just play all the way through. So I'll actually upload this video and link to it too from the description, so you can see the actual video in progress. So how it actually turns out once it's all said and done, which is really nice. But once it's to where you like it, you just download it. And then all of a sudden you've got an AI generated video. And like I said, once you get the hang of this, generating a script, copy and pasting it over, generating the video, making some simple edits, swapping out some images, just kind of make sure it looks good, and then download it. And then you've got a video that you can use for all of your marketing efforts. You can put it in your blog, you can use it on social media, you can have your own YouTube channel for your business. So it's a really great, powerful tool. And you can just make marketing videos using AI. So that's it. Again, the links are in the description. So click on those links. Let me know any questions in the comments and I'll help guide you through it. But I'll put the links to GPT and the link to Pictory AI so that you can start generating marketing videos for your small business. Wishing you the best of luck and mighty success.